Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to show you how to make standing egg cookies. Now, just a pre-warning, this is really all about the actual standing up portion, but I am going to show you a little bit of how I actually decorated these cookies. Now, if you want to see full tutorials on exactly how to decorate cookies like this, I have tons of egg tutorials that I've done recently, so you can go ahead and check one of those out in the right-hand corner. For this cookie so far, I've only used pipe and flood consistency, which is basically the consistency that is thin enough to flood everything, but it's also thick enough to pipe. I'm also using a wet on wet technique where basically you use the exact same icing consistency as the base, and then you go ahead and pipe on any details as you see fit. You'll notice at the bottom of each of these eggs, I have left a gap, and the reason being is because I'm going to use my sugar hack later on in the video. To create the stand for the egg cookie, all I did was cut out a circular cookie and then I airbrushed it with a dark purple color. No icing required. Now all I did for this sugar hack was melt down granulated sugar. Didn't add water, didn't add anything at all. Now it is best to actually take that off the stove as soon as that sugar has melted because you don't want a burnt taste to this sugar. You can use brown sugar for this hack as well, but you will get a little bit of a darker sugar glue if you do that. Now notice that I just kind of hold the cookie there for a few seconds and then I let go and they're standing. Now I'm taking some royal icing to cover up that little bit of sugar glue that I don't want showing. Add some edible pearls or whatever details you see fit. Whenever I have super thick royal icing that's left over, I do like to make them into florals that I can use right away or that I can save for later. You can use royal icing as well to get these standing up instead of that candied sugar, but I just find it a lot easier and faster to do it this way. I also find it a super stable method. Now let's get into the pricing of these cookies. Now sometimes if the cookies are a little bit too ornate and it's not something that I want to offer as a custom design, I'll only offer it as a stock order, which means I'm only offering it seasonally or at really special times. Whenever I make something that's a little bit different structurally, a lot of you ask me how I would package this. And because these are just standing up and down cookies and they're very, very stable, I would just package these in a normal bakery box. The closer together you can get those bases, obviously, the more structurally steady this is going to be. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading weekly, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!